How to instantly convert Spaylater to Gcash. Now, before we proceed on the specific topic, make sure that your Shopee app or your Shopee account has enough credit for you to be able to convert your Spaylater into Gcash. Now, open the Shopee application and ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. Now go ahead and log in into your Shopee account, and then at the lower right portion of your screen, you should see on the Me tab. Now on the other end, on your Gcash account, all you have to do is just to save or generate your own QR code with your Gcash account. Now in order for this to work, all you have to do is just to choose on Scan to Pay by SPayLater, and then just simply upload the QR code that you have on your Gcash account. And that's it. That's how you instantly convert SPayLater to Gcash.